it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and my Sweetwater label company tags came today, and this is from the tagged subscription. Now, last time I got a little insert in there that I didn't really read fully until after the video, and it actually told about why we got an extra pack of the labels, or an extra sheet of labels. And it's something extra that they're doing for a small upcharge. You can get those additional labels, which are just kind of bonus labels that you can put on there in addition to your named labels. All right, so let's see what we got this time. We've got the sewing machine, it says handmade. And then we've got this little plaid one. Those are nice. I can't wait to see what quilt I make next year that's just going to be perfect for those, because it always seems like the right quilt comes along and then I look back at my labels and I'm like, oh, that's it. That's perfect. Thanks so much for joining me. Please remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.